I'm David Keith, CEO and co-founder of Mobilyze.ai. We've built a platform to predict purchase intent for the technologies that will transform our residential energy system, and we're starting with electric vehicles. We urgently need to build an energy system that is green, resilient, and affordable. But the problem isn't that we need a technological breakthrough to make this happen. It's that we need to get consumers to adopt the distributed energy technologies that we already have today. 36% of Americans say that they'll consider an EV for their next vehicle purchase. Yet only 2% of new vehicle buyers are actually buying EVs today, with shoppers saying that they don't understand how EV technologies work, that dealers aren't knowledgeable about what incentives are available to buyers, and they don't know where EVs can be charged. Crack this adoption problem, and we'll unlock trillions of dollars of energy investment. Fundamentally, automakers don't really know who their customers are or where they live. This hasn't been a barrier to selling gasoline vehicles over the past 100 years. But EVs are different. Factors like the ability to recharge at home and to learn about EVs from other owners nearby are critical. An all-new approach to customer engagement is needed. Our solution is a prediction engine that identifies the specific households most likely to adopt EVs, a level of insight that companies selling EVs just don't have today. We provide them the tools they need to act on our predictions, allowing them to track engagement and conversion over time. And in the process, we gather data that allows us to continually improve the accuracy of our predictions. The foundation of our prediction engine is a comprehensive database mined from property assessments, electrical and construction permits, and aerial imagery. When combined with data on which individual households have already purchased EVs, we can analyze the determinants of EV adoption and identify which households are most likely to adopt next. Our understanding of EV purchase intent has two core uses. On one hand, micro-targeting EVs to willing buyers, and on the other, planning the charging infrastructure those buyers need. With BMW, we're developing a turnkey solution for automotive dealerships to target EV buyers based on their EV score, delivering them customized messaging. And with Fortune 100 energy company Exelon, we're applying our understanding of EV purchase intent to optimize the deployment of EV charging stations and grid infrastructure. We have over 20 companies in our pipeline today, including automakers, electric utilities, and charge point operators. These companies have the potential to generate over $500,000 of ARR for us, and we're uncovering new opportunities every week. We're starting with EVs because 17,000 auto dealerships in the US spend over $600 per vehicle on advertising, through digital and traditional channels, totaling $10 billion of spend each year. With over 100 EV models to be available in the US within 2 years, we believe our unique approach to EV micro-targeting can service $5 billion of this market in the near term. And applying our understanding of clean tech purchase intent to other complementary technologies, such as home batteries and heat pumps, our aggregate adjacent market size could be as large as $10 billion. We sell the Mobilyze.ai platform on a subscription basis, starting at $2,000 a month. Premium pricing provides additional tools such as turnkey deployment of micro-targeting campaigns. There are numerous companies in the automotive ecosystem that seek to generate automotive leads and integrate EVs more effectively with the grid. But what sets Mobilyze.ai apart is our ability to understand both where EV buyers are and where charging infrastructure is needed as a result. We start with a unique insight on who to target. And over time, we build an even deeper moat around how to target them most effectively. Our team is uniquely qualified to transform consumer behavior using data analytics. Our COO has led multiple software ventures from startup to successful exit. We have authored cutting-edge research at MIT on topics such as spatial patterns of EV adoption, the grid value of battery storage, and the psychology of car ownership. And we have worked for industry leaders like General Motors, Ørsted, AECOM, and McKinsey. Sustainable energy is coming, and Mobilyze.ai is unlocking the value of millions of households ready to adopt clean energy technologies today. Join us.